carbon, how much operational carbon, in embodied carbon, how much goes to superstructure, how much goes to substructure, what is the whole thing, basements, building envelope, windows, how much does it come to it. So those are the things that, so I was quite interested in doing something of that sort. Then you will need to kind of look at it. How do you build buildings? How do you categorize buildings? That has to be done a little bit more like carefully to see.
I think this is a good discussion where we should bring in that how we stitch this and strengthen these aspects together. Until unless they are not done, it will be very difficult for you to stitch them together. And I think you really pointed out various gaps, which I think maybe the discussion will open up more.
So when we look at cement globally, it accounts for about 7 to 9% of our global CO2 emissions. Steel is at a similar number. So combined, there are about 15% of global CO2 emissions, right? And to put that in context, if cement were
FDA has worked with IIT, Madras, Bombay, Delhi, and SDC along the years to sort of bring LCT to fruition. Now also working closely with cement companies to mainstream that product. So there could be cement. A lot of work has been done in the brick sector, especially even from moving from burnt bricks to fly ash bricks.
Bring it to certain particle level, and then with this lime or other binders, we make concrete. So there we can achieve as low as about 300 kg per cubic meter density, and the thermal conductivity is also around 0.05 watt per meter Kelvin.
That are going into the building that come under embodied carbon, and how is it different from operational carbon? And
with the direction we are going, we are clearly locking in inefficiencies, we're locking in climate risks into our assets, into our buildings and real estate. And we just
take these conversations further. We gathered as representatives of industry, of different building sector, civil society.
Topics looking at procurement of renewable energy by commercial industrial consumers and water consumption by thermal power plants. To now we are looking at an overall people, climate, nature framing. It's quite a long way, and